Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about how to make money on the internet in 5 steps. I recommend that you watch the video carefully until the end. If you wish, let's move on to the video. Identify a profitable niche or industry to focus on. This could be anything from affiliate marketing to dropshipping, freelance writing to online tutoring. Create a website or online presence. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a social media account, or a combination of these. Build an audience or customer base. This could be done through SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, or paid advertising. Monetize your website or online presence. This could be through affiliate marketing, advertising, sponsored content, or selling products or services. Constantly develop and scale your business. This could be testing different monetization strategies, forming partnerships, creating new products or services, or expanding your customer base. It is important to note that this is a simplified overview, and the process of earning $5,000 online will probably be more complicated and time-consuming. Also, earning $5,000 online is not guaranteed. It requires consistent effort and hard work. Thank you for listening to me so far. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and comment on the video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.